Hello, good evening, and welcome to this special episode. In this episode, I shall be discussing on a few stocks, and this is a bit different than what I usually make. This list of stocks, what I'm going to convey you, that is for the next week or and onwards. So, these stocks have some development. These companies, a few companies have some development, and based on that I uh, found a few stocks which you may look at. That can be like for the investment purpose. Even you can treat it for the trading purpose as well. But one declaration from my end: I am not giving any buy, sell, hold recommendation with this list of stocks. I'm just going to convey you for your shortlisting purpose, so that you can further look at it. You, if you feel, you can take the advice from the registered advisor as well. So without wasting time, so I'm just going to start the list of stocks. The first one, that is Bharat Electricals. So BHEL secures order for 800 kilovolt 6,000 megawatt Kharwa Nagpur LCC HVDC terminal stations, along with AC transmission system at Khavda. So this order BHEL has secured along with uh, Hitachi Energy as a consortium. So this project has to be executed by 2029, so it can have some long term impact in terms of the order booking by BHEL. So one can look at it. The next company, that is Fine Organics. The second company, what I'm saying, that is Fine Organics. You can have a look at it, because the company had one issue in one particular plant. They have like Badlapur East plant was facing a manufacturing disruption on 18th of January. I think they Fine Organics has uploaded in the BSE that there is a strike and in that particular plant, and their manufacturing was halted over there. So it was quite long. Now the company has intimated that they have resumed operation, and the strike has been called off. So you can look at this company as well. The next is HDFC Bank. Why I'm saying HDFC Bank? This is worth looking at this particular stock, because HDFC Bank, like last year, I think July, I think July last year, they had a merger. Like HDFC Bank had a merger with HDFC Limited, right? Which carries their loan portfolio. So HDFC Limited, after merger of that NBFC, HDFC Limited, what happened? Their credit to deposit ratio has gone up beyond 100%, which is not at all desired. So now HDFC, matlab, they had to, as per the regulatory guideline, they had to bring it down, and that is also healthy for the balance sheet of the bank as well. So this time, this HDFC Bank has trimmed little bit of its loan portfolio, and that actually gives some, relief to the bank, to its balance sheet, in terms of risk, and maybe in terms of profitability. I'm not very sure about profitability, but in terms of risk, obviously, yes. So one can look at this particular stock. Next, the company I will prefer to say, that is the Cochin Shipyard Limited. The company has signed a contract with Ministry of Defense, Government of India, for uh, yes, sorry. So this contract has been signed with Ministry of Defense for refit and dry docking of a large Indian naval vessel. And this contract value is 1000 crore and executable in only 5 months. So 1000 crore of order starting from December. So December, January, February, March, April. So by Q1 FY26, the full benefit should come from this particular, but I think it must be in tranches. So a few like tranches of the payment will be booked in this financial year as well. So that will obviously impact the top line of the company, increase the top line of the company. So I believe that this is positive for Cochin Shipyard, but please take your call accordingly. I am not giving any recommendation on this particular platform. It's just conveying the message, maybe eye opener. I thought of ideas for like I would say food for thought. So next is the fertilizer sector. I would say why I'm specifically mentioning entire sector, because as of November 2024, government has provided nearly 37,000 crore of fertilizer subsidies to ensure adequate supply to farmers. The This includes the total subsidy of 1.71 lakh crore for the fiscal year uh, FY24 up to January. Uh, Sorry. Uh, okay. So, okay, let's take it in this way. 37,000 crore of fertilizer subsidy till January, sorry, 37,000 crore fertilizer subsidy for the supply of farmers. That's it. Uh, so this has come in November, matlab end till November end. So this is going to like fertilizer subsidy is going to flow for the fertilizer companies. So it may keep buoyant. The stock prices may be buoyant due to this particular inflow. So you can keep a note of this because this is a routine event. So I don't think it has a long term impact. But yes, there are other developments which can aid into the performance of the company. So altogether, for the short term, it seems that it can keep the stock prices buoyant for fertilizer companies. So can take a call accordingly. So altogether, just summarizing, one, I said Vale got an order executable till 2029, calendar year 2029. Fine Organics manufacturing plant, which was under a particular strike for this 10 months, 9, 10 months. So that has been called off. So that is like that will resume the manufacturing operation in their Badlapur plant, Badlapur East plant in Maharashtra. Fertilizer sector, I said it is due to the subsidy, fertilizer subsidy, it is supposed to be buoyant. HDFC Bank trimmed its portfolio, loan portfolio, sold off a part to keep their CD ratio down, bring the CD ratio under the within the guideline of the regulator. So that also seems to be positive. Uh, uh, there are some positivity in terms of its numbers and all. You can have a look into the Piramal Enterprises Limited as well. It's an NBFC. I'm not getting into details because it's not a one news kind of company. It's not a means there is no specific news in this particular company, but based on the development, you can have a look at it. And Larsen Toubro Technology Services. This is a company like result was a flattish kind of result has been delivered by the company. Uh, Valuation is ठीक है. I would not say very expensive. Valuation is not cheapest. That is also true. But it was a prolonged underperformer. So now means in terms of business environment after Trump's means as Trump has already won in US presidential election. So expectation from the sector is high. It's not about any particular company, like for all companies in terms of deal wins and all. After presidential election, things are likely to be normalized, and LTTS is a company like which had lots of things are absolutely fine due to the uh, industry slowdown. Up to a certain extent, LTTS performance was impacted up to a small extent. uh, Stock price has corrected, valuation is not very expensive, so one can look at it. So these stocks I have mentioned and one sector I have mentioned, you can look at these stocks and the sector for the next week and maybe time ahead. So at the end, again, whatever stocks I have mentioned here, whatever sector I have mentioned here is not a buy, sell, hold recommendation from my end. These are mere uh, message, just developments I have conveyed to you. So based on that, you can shortlist, you can have a further look at it, you can take the advice from your registered advisor as well. So that is it from in this particular video from my end. Thank you so much, and I hope you have like this input will help you for your decision making process. You will like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you.